video, we are going to learn how to make a frequency table in StatCrunch. So we're going to use the same problem we did before by hand, and we're going to have StatCrunch help us out this time. So we're still given the following 15 responses to a survey about the number of siblings. And we're going to create frequency table, columns for frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. So we still have our same list of numbers. So the first thing we need to do is go into StatCrunch. So I'm going to go into Blackboard page, and we want to go into My Stat Lab links in StatCrunch. And we want to go to the course home. And the course home will be where StatCrunch is. So if we look over here on the left, under the gradebook, we will have StatCrunch. So if we go there, and then we're going to go click on StatCrunch website. So click on the StatCrunch website, and then you'll get the StatCrunch screen. So we're just given a list of data here, so we want to open an Open StatCrunch page. So this Open StatCrunch button will get us a new spreadsheet. So here we have our spreadsheet, and we want to type in this list of numbers. So the first thing we want to do is click on var1, that means variable 1, and we're going to name it number of siblings. So now we have our variable named, and we can go ahead and type in the numbers. So we'll just type in 1 in the first column, and then if you hit enter or return, it'll go to the next one. And then we're just going to do that the same way for all of these. Two, 3, 2. And you can see we have 15. You should have 15 of these. So that's how you know you typed in the right amount. And now that we have our data in, we can go ahead and make our frequency table. So what we want to do is we want to click on Stat, and we want to make a table, so we're going to click on Tables, and we're making a frequency table, so we're going to click on Frequency. And that'll bring us our frequency table window. And we want to select our number of siblings column that we just made. And we wanted frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. So to click all of these at the same time, you would either press Command on a Mac or Control on a Windows computer. So that'll give us the frequency, the relative frequency, and the cumulative frequency. So once you have all of those highlighted in blue, and you have your number of siblings selected, you can go ahead and hit Compute at the bottom. So once we do that, we'll see we have our frequency table. And this should be the same as the one we made by hand. So we can see we have all of our frequencies, we have all of our relative frequencies in decimal form, and then we have all our cumulative frequencies, which added up to 15. So instead of doing all of those calculations by hand, StatCrunch can help us out and make a frequency table pretty quickly. So that is how you make a frequency table using StatCrunch.